I truly love these little mating cubes. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and we've got orientation flights going on. With this many bees doing orientation, I'd say I need to add another box to this colony. We've got 4 of them. It's my wife's Mating Nucs. They are basically 4 deep frames, but they're cut in half. The frames run long ways of the box. As you see, left to right, they're running straight across. So they are coming in to what Roger Patterson calls the warm way. By that, well, let me just set my smoker down and everything because I just got home. Just getting ready to put everything in the garage. Anyway, the warm way. The warm way is the frames are, you're coming straight in against the side of the frames. The cold way is the standard Langstroth way where the frames are all going this way. Well, these are all going sideways. I'll take the lid off this box. It's got a sugar jar in it and show you what I'm talking about. Your frames are laying going this way instead of front to back. They're going side to side. It blocks a lot of the air coming, rolling in. I didn't even look, I need to look. Yep, they're out. I need to give them some more sugar water. But it blocks a lot of that cold wind. Oh, shit. Now I'm the foul-mouthed beekeeper again. But yeah, I really love these things. They get down to about the size of a softball, and they make it through winter just fine. You can tell these are darker bees. This is going to be a New River Carnica F1. I think all of these are Carnicas. Yeah, they all got dark bees going in and out. Anyway, just a little quick video on this mating nuc. I'll stack them up. As you see over there, 2 boxes high. And I'll make a split off of that. We'll have a total of 8. Thanks for watching.